Hello, friends. Hello, how are you all? See, this is my seventh chapter. It is related to the sixth chapter. In sixth chapter, I have told you about introducing yourself. Introducing yourself to someone who is only listening. That is a one-way conversation. See, I have written on my board. On my board, introducing yourself is a one-way conversation. And now, this is in this section, I will tell you how to do two-way conversation. Two-way conversation means when you are meeting with someone and you are conversing with him or her, that means he or she is also replying back to you. So if you are meeting someone, suppose you have gone to a party or to any place where you are meeting someone for the first time, but you want to talk and you want to start your conversation in English. So how will you start? The easiest way is hello. Hello is a word which generally we don't write or we don't use in our written form, but when you are speaking to someone, you must say hello, hello, hi, because this is an informal conversation. Remember, this is informal conversation. Informal conversation to someone whom you have met in a party or in a marriage ceremony or anywhere. So how will you start? Hello, myself Priyanka. What's your name? So suppose he or she will reply, oh hello, I am suppose Pooja. Then you will say, okay, I live in Ramagiri city. Where do you live? Suppose she says, I live in Dealband in Bilaspur. Then you can say, okay, I am a housewife. What do you do? Suppose suppose he sees a girl, then she will say, okay, I am also a housewife. Or she can also say, I'm a lecturer in suppose in C.V. Raman University or somewhere like that. So anything, okay, he or she can tell. And if you are also not a housewife, then you can say what you do. Suppose I am a businesswoman, I do this business. What do you do? Similarly, next, to make the conversation prolong, means you don't want to stop, आप इस conversation को आगे लेके जाना चाहते हैं, तो आप कैसे बोलिएगा? आप अपने past times के बारे में बताइएगा. Okay, so I love dancing when I am free. I love reading books. I read books such as you can say some authors' names also, you can say like Indian authors, Ravinder Singh or anything. He or she may also tell, okay, I also love dancing. But I love listening to music more. Suppose she can tell. Then you can say that now I have finished the conversation, but you can add that okay, so I'm here with my in-laws or with my husband. Then she or he can say, okay, I'm also here with my in-laws and with my husband, and I am attending this marriage ceremony. My marriage is of my cousin or of something like that. You can tell about the place you are in. क्लियर? जिस प्लेस में आप हैं उस बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं कि मैं इस शादी में, मैं अपने कज़न की शादी में आई हूँ यहाँ पे, अपने फैमिली के साथ आई हैव कम हियर विद माई फैमिली एंड इट्स सो इंजॉयबल पार्टी. यू कैन ऐड ऑन. Then after, suppose the conversation is over here, so you can say that, okay, so I am leaving, so let's have the dinner, and you can say, it was nice talking to you. Remember, this is a very good line which you can add when you are talking to someone and the ending point is very nice. You can say, it was nice talking to you. He or she can say same here. And suppose if somebody is telling to you that it was nice talking to you, you can reply her back as same here. Same here means मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. And you can say, if you want to have a chat, you want her as your friend, and you can say, can we exchange our numbers to be in contact? If someone is telling to you, then also you can reply in this way. See, yes, I would love to. I would love to means मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि अगर हम contact में रहें. In English, yes, I would love to. So bye, take care. So similarly, you can have a conversation with anyone. Remember, English conversation is all about confidence. So whenever you are in conversing with others in English, you try to use small sentences like I like reading books, simple sentences, and you don't use compound sentences when you are conversing with others. So see how I have written. You can add something here. Something means if you want to say something about yourself, which I must add that about introducing yourself, some have written some have written 2-3 sentences of their own, which is very, very good. You must improvise, you must add. I am teaching you the basics, but you must add, you must have the creativity to add something. So even here also, when you are doing a two-way conversation with a friend or with anybody, you can add something what you want to say. But before that, you remember, when you are speaking English, you have to use small sentences. So am I clear with my today's work? So it is very easy. Remember, English speaking is all about confidence. So if you have confidence, you can speak good English. Even if somewhere a bit tiny tot you can have, you are grammatically wrong, it is okay when you are speaking. But you must have the confidence to speak. So ladies, this time I want that instead of writing in your copy, you please send me your audio voices. Please send me your audio voices. As I am speaking to you, you can make videos also. You can make small videos using these conversation types. Even you can use the first part of the conversation, that means introducing yourself also. But I would prefer that you, suppose you are conversing with other body, suppose I will tell in Hindi, यहाँ पे कोई खड़ी है, यहाँ आपके फ्रेंड के साथ आप कैसे बात करोगे उसका एक वीडियो बनाइए इन इंग्लिश. See the pattern and do it in English. Even audio will do, but I would preferably say, and I would suggest you that you have some videos of your English speaking homeworks or assignments which you are doing. Speak English. If you are speaking in English, then it will gain your confidence, and I'm very sure that you ladies will do very good, and I'm very impressed with you all that you are doing, and you are taking so much initiative to learn, and you all are very good in English. So remember, you all are very good in English. And also one thing I would like to say, that the assignments which you are sending, I am checking it all, but it's not possible that in every assignments I will tag it and I will do it, okay. So I am checking it, and whoever is wrong, wherever is wrong, I am correcting it. That otherwise all are correct only. You assume it that you are correct, so I am not tagging it. So it's not possible to tag everybody. I hope you will understand. So your next work is not in copy. You do your audios, you do your videos and send to me. I would love to hear you talking English. So bye, take care ladies.